This kata is called Flatten and sort an array, and this kata is pretty interesting in my opinion. What do we have to do? Well, we have a function that receives a nested list. And what we have to do is to concatenate this list to one single list, but in a sorted manner. How to go about that? For sublist in array, and print the sublist. Yeah, there we have them. And yeah, how do we concatenate them? Can we create a new list and append them? Let's have a look. So instead of printing, we can append them to the result list. I guess this won't work out, but let's have a look. No, it is still a nested list. What else can we do? Oh, well, let's do the following. Instead of appending, we can do the following. Result could be equal to result, but we can add the sublist with just a plus operator, and that will concatenate the list. So this will turn it in one single list instead of a nested list. Yeah, we have one single list now, but it is not sorted in an ascending order. But for that, we have the sorted function, and it takes the list as an argument. And let's have a look here. Then you will see that it will sort it correctly. So let's replace the print function by a return statement outside the loop, and that should do the trick. Yeah. How about this one? Does this also work? Perfect. Content. And there we go. Good enough for government work. I thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from it. And I hope to see you in another video. Ciao.